Many people bought new gas-shielded welds to go home. It will not be installed or adjusted. This video will teach you. The video is a bit long. Like it first and then collect it, so as not to find it later. The first step is to change the silk first. Be sure to take a look when installing the welding wire. This welding wire comes out from under the wire disc. The second step is to select the wire feed wheel. TECHARC slots 0.8 and 1.0 on the wire feeding wheel. According to the size of the welding wire, select the size of the wire feeder slot. I used 1.0 today. Choose 1.0. The wire goes through this hole. Press the wire feeding slot tightly. Press in front. Just pass through. Press it and take a look. This lever. There is a scale on this pressure rod. Generally, don't twist it too tightly. Torsion too tightly will deform the welding wire. Generally to 0.5 to 3 location. Now install the gas-shielded welding gun. This is a European-style gas-shielded welding gun. When picking up the gun, according to the welding gun and the hole position on the machine, align the hole and connect it. It must be tightened here. This next step is very important. Listen carefully. This machine can use solid carbon steel welding wire, carbon dioxide gas. The drug or self-protective welding wire does not need to be connected to air. Their connection is different. When connecting carbon dioxide gas with solid welding wire, this adapter to be tightened to the positive electrode, where the ground wire is connected to the negative electrode. Tighten. This is how solid carbon steel welding wire is connected. When using flex-cord welding wire without air connection, the adapter is tightened to the negative electrode. Ground to positive electrode. Hole position of solid welding wire. This is how the flex-cord welding wire is connected. Next, let's talk about function selection. This machine has the functions of manual welding, gas-shielded welding, and argon arc welding. Now we use gas-shielded welding. It is necessary to choose the gas-shielded welding position. Now we plug it in. This machine can be connected to 220/380 volts. Now connected to 220 voltage. Power on. When not welding, the welding wire is 3 to 5 millimeters long from the gun head and cut off. According to the thickness of the board and personal usage habits, to adjust the current voltage. The secondary welding aluminum is very easy to use. External drawing gun welding aluminum. Arc wiping TIG welding stainless steel.